Hello everyone. So for this video, I'll be teaching you how to install one of my favorite text editor, which is the Sublime text, and install also one of the packages that is very useful in programming, which is the Emmet, what we call Emmet. So just open your browser and then go to um, Google or just directly type Sublime text editor. So you will be redirected, or the first result is the sublimetext.com, which is where you can download the um, text editor. So just click on the website or the download, and you will be redirected to the download page. So in this page, you can see the different version. So you have for the OS X, for the Mac and Windows 32-bit and portable version. So if you don't want to install the text editor, you can have the portable version where you can just run it right away. So what I will be using is the 64-bit since my machine is running under Windows 10 64-bit, because we also have the Linux if you need if you're using Linux. So I'll be downloading this one. So I'm going to install it to my machine. So let's wait for it to be downloaded. So here are the different build number which you can check for the different updates of their application. So once downloaded, just open the file and then just click yes if it asks you, do you want to install? So by default, it will be installed in this folder. So don't I'm not going to change it. So next, then click install, and then click finish. So once finished, so it will be already installed. So you can look for it on your Windows Explorer. So just type the Sublime text, and there you have it. Just click on it, and the Sublime text will be open. So there's a newer version. So I'll just download it to make it uh, the most recent to get the most recent update. So this unregistered, you can buy this one to be registered, but it is already okay using the unregistered one. So let's just wait for it to be downloaded. So the download is already close to finish. So you just click install, and then it will open again the do you want to install uh, page, shows up click yes, and then go. So this is our new Sublime text editor. So this is the new interface. What I like about here is that you can have the overview of code here. So for example, let us open a HTML code so we can see how does it look like um, in Sublime text editor. So I have this one, a template downloaded online. So here you have the HTML code. Ayan siya. And as you can see, there's an overview here of your code which you can scroll here at the right side. So which is very convenient if you're going to move your code and to a certain location. So you can just drag this one, and it is very fast. So this is one of the features that I like in Sublime. Very useful. Another things that you can open folder here. You can have a file explorer at your left side where your project is. Just go to File, open Folder. Then let's select our downloaded template, this one. So it will open you this the folder where your codes or project is located. Ayan. So other than this one, what I want to show you is the Emmet package that is very, very useful in programming. So to install it to your Sublime, just go to the Preference Package Control and then Install Package. Select this one and then type the package you want to install. So Emmet is a package where you can install it to different text editor such as VS Code also. So, and it will make your programming um, task very much more convenient. So let's see if it's already installed. So once it is installed, so let's try to create a new file and let's save it as HTML. So sample.html and then there you have it. So if you want to create uh, opening closing tag of HTML head and body, so you have a shortcut using the exclamation and then just click tab, then you will be having this skeletal for your HTML. So there are different commands uh, in Emmet which you can search online. So let's see Emmet commands. So you have here the cheat sheet or the documentation. So you can look for this one and it will give you lots a lots of option a lot of option for programming in HTML, CSS, yeah, there you have it, and many more. So you have um, those shortcuts or the Emmet package. So I always use this when I'm developing my HTML. For example, you want to create a table and then you have uh, table row 3 and then you have TB times 3. So as you can see here, it shows you the preview and then just click tab and it will generate this one. So Emmet is a very useful package for programming or coding HTML. So another feature of your Sublime is to change the color. So you can select a theme. So to install different themes on your Sublime, different color theme, just go to Preference again, then Package Control, then Install Package, and then this search uh, bar for package will appear. So you can look for the net on the different packages for the color scheme that you want. So you have, I already installed Materialize. So let's try uh, Dracula. So you can use Dracula or maybe Gravity Space Gray. So let's try Space Gray. So just type the Space Gray here. Space Gray, this one. So you have many choices. I will use the Monokai Space Gray and then enter. So you will have installing here. Then once finished, so you can look for it in the select color scheme and then Monokai Space Gray is already here. There. So let's install another one. Let's try asphalt material, safety, afterglow. Afterglow, Agila, sunrise, pre-dawn, fall, flatron, wolf team. Let's try this wolf team. So, preferences, package control, install package, and then wolf team. So here, so it will show you some downloading here in the lower left, and then once done, you can go to select color scheme. Then wolf team is already here. Yeah, this one. So you can select that one. So I'm more into the materialized thing. So I will select materialize. So as you move your mouse, your cursor, so you see the preview of every theme. So let's start with the first one, auto, scotchy, material. So just select your preference. So it depends on what is comfortable with your eyes. Material one dark is okay for me. Also space black. Material space gray is okay. So maybe I'll select this one. So that's how you install your color scheme. And now let's move. So other than the changing of the color scheme, uh, one of the other uh, great feature of Sublime is the autosave. So if you want to go to the autosave, just go to the preferences and then click settings, syntax specific for Windows. So just click on this one. Then this window will open. So you can put your own settings here. So you can see here the default settings. You can add here. It is a JSON format. So key value pair. So the key for the autosave is the save on focus loss. So every time you change window or you lose focus on the current uh, file, it will autosave. So just paste this one and then set it to true and then just save or close. Then click yes to save the changes. So as you can see, uh, I will type something here. So this is a an autosave text. So once I change my focus from this one, I move to the different file and then I close the index.html without saving it. If I open this again, so you will see this one. So to make sure that this is really saved, so I will close everything. Then I will open Sublime again or I will open the file itself here. So right click open with Sublime. So I will choose Sublime as my default. Look, uh, Sublime text editor. And so let's select the application so that it will automatically open using Sublime for all extension.html. So here you have it. It is saved even though we didn't click the Control S or file save. So that is one of the great features, especially if you're doing many things and you're not sure if you have saved it or not. So this is again the Sublime text editor. I hope this help you in installing or choosing which text editor is good for your web programming or programming in other languages also. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up if you like this video, and put your suggestion in the comment section, and click subscribe for my next video. So thank you for watching again.